Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you what to do if you can't hear dialogues on your TCL 43C61B TV. First, navigate to the gear icon on your dashboard to open Quick Settings, then go to All Settings, select Display and Sound, navigate to Sound, and choose the sound preset you'd like to use. To enhance voices, use the voice preset, then go to Sound Customization, highlight Dialogue Enhancer, and drag the slider to high. Then return to your media and try playing it again. That's it, thanks for watching. If this helped, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.